Watching that plane fly by made me realize that this dream is about to end. It's time to head back and hit the reality. We checked out of the stay in Lofoten quite early, knowing that it would be a very long drive to Tromso, but instead of heading straight to Tromso, we booked an overnight stay just to break this journey and not have a hectic drive. But it turned out to be one of the best places we have stayed in this entire trip. It was extremely clean, well thought, in middle of nowhere next to a waterfall. They had a small area where you leave your footwear so that you don't drag snow and mud inside. We were quite ahead of times, so we parked somewhere remote to take a break. Nobody's there. Absolutely no one. The moment was so special. It looked like a scene out of a movie. It's snowing outside. We're in a car and we're watching one of our favorite shows. So cozy. I felt so special and so grateful. We did not save any groceries on purpose as we had a flight to catch the next morning. It was literally the very first time eating out in Norway.
West is a big place, really, exactly.
The weather took a toss. It started snowing so heavily, like there was no sign of clearing up. We had just this night, and I really wanted to see the Northern Lights for one last time before we leave the Arctic Circle, because it took us 2 years to come back to Arctic Circle after our Iceland trip. So I do not know when I'd be back again. I'm afraid it would take another 2 years, so I really want to see it tonight.
It's on board. Listen. Father.
It was almost midnight and the KP index was the highest. However, there was 100% cloud coverage which was clearing up, but then the KP index was lowering as well. Midnight passed, I waited, 1 a.m. passed, 2 a.m. passed, and I was like, nope, I'm not giving up. Around 3:30 a.m., the sky started to clear, and by 4 a.m., there it was. I was awake the entire night for this moment. I watched from the window at first, but I couldn't resist. I layered up, grabbed my GoPro, stepped outside, and got completely lost in the moment.
I don't think I'll ever get tired of this. Crazy, isn't it?
After nearly 1 hour, I noticed my GoPro battery had died. So I hardly have 5 to 10 seconds of recording from GoPro.
Look at this cool place.
But thankfully, I had my phone running all the time, capturing in all directions, which you're seeing right now. But a part of me was disappointed that I could not share this beautiful Aurora show with you guys. For a second, I even considered staying another night, rebooking the flights just to try again, just to get another night.
Last view before the cloud covers. It's not common cloud.
But maybe some moments are just meant to be felt and not filmed. I will go back one day to capture that perfect aurora, but for now, this was the perfect ending I needed. And I'm heading home with a full heart.